Hey guys, how's it going today? Here in my corner of a paradise, it's going pretty smooth, quiet. Now it's autumn. We're in October. The time is going fast, and the colors are looking pretty smooth. But today I'm not here to talk about colors in autumn. Today I'm here to talk about relationships, girlfriends, boyfriends, and stuff like this. Because if somebody will come, if I was coming to my younger self to give a message from the future, my future self going to my younger self, I would probably say to myself and to you as well, don't get into a relationship until you are like, I don't know, at least 30. Because in your 20s, to be in a relationship is really stupid actually. It's really stupid because you don't even know what you want yourself, but your partner. So it's getting misunderstandings, and friction and so on. You know what I'm talking about. You have met the right partner today and you think this is the love of your life, and boom, a few months later or a few years later, it's like your worst enemy. How the fuck did you get there? How did we end up here? It's like this sometimes happening. Because you know what I'm talking about. You have been there. I have been there. I know people who are going through divorces and child custody and so on and so on. I feel actually very fucking happy that I do not have kids because I do not want in the first place, especially with the wrong person. I'd rather be alone, traveling around, exploring the universe, than to be stuck with the wrong person, just because I have kids with them. And this thing is happening nowadays, and I don't see the point. I don't see the point to have a relationship sometimes, because a lot of the times, let's take this side, take my side. A lot of times when I had a girlfriend, and I'm pretty sure you can relate to, they're always unhappy. It's always something with girls in general when you are in a relationship. It's either too much or too little, or it's too hot, or they have to pee, or they have to eat. And sometimes having a girlfriend, it's actually dragging you down. It can actually drag you down having a girlfriend. So of course, having a boyfriend, if you are a girl, the same, because you know what I'm talking about. When it's not chemistry, when the chemistry is not there, it's just futile, everything. It's no point. It's no point in wasting time. And relationships are a little bit tricky nowadays because people don't know what the people don't know what they want anymore in life. They say they want this thing, but tomorrow they want something else. So how is that even working? It's not. We are a bunch of unfocused people who doesn't even know what they want in life anymore. That's the reality where we got to, and this is not so good. This is not so good. But of course, I am not saying I am perfect either, because sometimes I'm getting into relationships because I am alone and bored and maybe want to have sex. That's the reality. But that doesn't mean it's the right decision always. Self control is most important. If you can't be alone with your own company, you shouldn't be in a relationship in the first place. But luckily, I am actually very, very happy with myself, and I can be alone with myself a lot. No problem. Years can go by. No problem. So, yes, fucking relationships. Sometimes they just drag you down. You know what I mean? I had a few people like this in my life, and it's not good. It's not good. Compromises are not always the best. Having kids, it's not always a big pleasure, like they always say, especially nowadays, especially with this society and what's happening now. It's fucking crazy. So I'm actually tired of people in general. I'm tired of relationships because I don't want and I don't feel like I want to invest the time and another stranger in the end. You know what I mean? After a while, you get a little bit distant, you get cold, you just don't care about these things anymore. But I think if you find a way to find yourself, then you'll find the right partner as well. It's just like Dr. Joe Dispenza says. You know, if you want a partner, a relationship, write down all the things what you want in this partner, in this relationship, and then become it. Because once you become, you will attract. So that is what I'm trying to get here. If you are working on yourself, focus on yourself, forget about meaningless one night stands and stupid relationship, toxic ones, what just dragging you down. If you focus on yourself, 5 years of hard work can put you ahead. Can put you ahead a lot. You can just relax after that. You can just travel around, just chill, you know, you can make it easier, smoother. Of course, that's if you want to travel and go around. But if you want to be in one place, you also have to wonder, are you happy? Living the same life in the same toxic relationship every day? Because I know people who are staying in relationships just because it's comfortable. And that's not the way, that's not the way to live, guys. What the fuck? You have one life. It's less than 100 years. Are you crazy? To spend it with the wrong person, even a fucking day is much. So take a break, think a little bit, analyze, contemplate on your current life situation, and ask yourself, are you happy in the relationship where you are right now? With yourself, with your family, with your loved ones, and so on. If the answer is yes, I am super happy for you. That's amazing. But if the answer is no, well, it's never too late. You can do things to change it. So don't give up, okay? In the end, everything is just an illusion. Whatever we think, we attract. So be mindful. Take it easy. See you tomorrow.